But the main thing we're going to touch upon is scalar, this type of energy. So we basically just broke down that in the nothingness of space, there is something. All right, so when we get into scalar physics now, we're looking at three different things. So when it comes to force fields, we have electric field, how electricity is formed, and that is always a situation where the positive pole is, or the positive ion, the positive proton is going towards the negative, the electron. But in a magnetic field, it can move either way, north to south, south to north. We have gravitational field, which is like what keeps planets together. So the potential is what creates the field. Yeah. So we have a electric scalar potential. The electric scalar potential is what creates electricity. And then we have a magnetic vector potential. And this is what creates magnetism. And we have a gravitational scalar potential. And this is what creates gravity. They are coming from these potentials and depend upon how much magnitude is in that potential determines the output. And that will be the same for magnetism. Depend upon the magnitude, how much magnetic force is there and the direction it's heading into, all that potential is limitless and it's coming from this field here. But then the problem is, from what now I'm seeing, because for years I'm trying to understand what's the problem then. And it seemed like divergence is the issue, and divergence is dealing with contraction and expansion. This is the problem why all that stuff I'm saying at the beginning isn't happening. No faster than light communication, no levitation. So the buses or vehicles are not levitating at the moment. There's no plasma technology. There's no regeneration of limbs. And it seemed like just simply because of this simple aspect here. I know there are other factors to factor in, but this magnetic vector potential issue where they're unable to find a significant value for it. And from what I'm understanding, it's because it's had a magnitude and a direction. It has a curl, it has a movement. This potential is fluctuating, it may not be steady, and it's also compressing and moving. The mathematics is too much. So as a result, they give the value 0 and it throws off the whole equation.